This is Channels Television's breaking news.
Hello everyone, welcome back with me Rahmadhani in Tripa channel. Today I will bring a news about earthquake in Indonesia on SMAN. This time a 5 Richter scale tremor shook of Cianjur. The earthquake happened on Saturday at 17 p.m. said National. As per BMKG, the tremor was in profundity of 17 km in 7 south scope to 7 longitude. The tremor which happened toward the evening made frenzy among the inhabitants. They were anxious about tidal wave which can be created by the quake. Fortunately, the operation did not happen. The tremor did not bring about a tidal wave on the ground. That quality was not sufficiently enormous, said BMKG. In any case, several homes were harmed and demolished by the tremor or earthquake. On the other hand, so far it's obscure whether there were fatalities or harm in the episode. Thank you for watching the Let's News with me, Rahmadhani.